So this is how my bag is looking right now. Oh guys, I am packing like literally in such a rush. I don't know why I put these shoes here, but at least they are facing down. So, and then I'm gonna close my makeup bag and put it right here, and then close. I've already tried to close it, so I know it's gonna close. And then this bag, I'm gonna use it for my camera and all the equipment and wigs, yeah, and things like that. So yeah, let me go take a bath and Cape Town, here I come. I just want to quickly show you guys my traveling outfit. Yes, my favorite sneakers. Yes. So I'm not done yet, as you can see. This is my wig. So
welded one time first because I spoke to my cousin.
hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am super excited right now. Can you see how big my smile is? But I am exhausted. Just landed in Cape Town with my sister. There she is. Oh, we just had a bit of a drama right now at the airport because we hired a car and then it had problems. So now we got another one. So now we're off.
Yeah, it's much better.
Ayini guys, kupeli hour sana silahlekile. Talk about driving in a city you are not familiar with. Like, we've been driving and driving, trying to find this hotel that my sister wants to sleep at today. Yo, mission. But I think we finally found it. I don't really like this hotel, but my sister wants to sleep here today, and then tomorrow we sleep somewhere else. So it's like every day we'll be sleeping in a different place. We are exploring. Yeah, Dora the Explorer. I am so hungry, guys. Yo, imagine. We landed at 4 p.m. and now it's like, look at the time. 23 minutes past 6. I am so hungry. But anyways. the views. Yeah. But again, you get it. You get it. If you don't get it, you don't forget about it. Ooh, finally, the food is here. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Bon appetit. Okay, guys, so this is our hotel. Okay, I'm gonna first take you through our bathroom. Hi. Okay, just a very like simple old school type of thing. Nothing too fancy, but yeah. And then this side, we have a closet, and yes, love. And there's another side of the closet. Nice, cute mirror. And the room. So this was one large bed. Then we decided to separate the beds because ndagabala. So yeah, unfortunately I can't show you guys the view because it's already at night. I'm about to get ready for bed, so yeah, but I just want to quickly show you guys what I bought at the V&A mall before I sleep. So okay, I didn't buy it with cherry, but okay. So how cute is this dress? Country Road Dali. Isama ingenile bethuna masizithi cute dresses. So this is the first dress I got, and then second dress. Guys, I am obsessed. And then it has pockets and it's mamhle. So today I only got these two dresses, guys. I am obsessed. So I think I'm gonna wear this dress tomorrow. Yo, I'm so excited. Jonga. Anyways, guys, thank you for checking this video out. See you in my next vlog because I am here in Cape Town for a week. Hey,